Hi, Garden Sessions audience. DrTennilleWarren-Phillips here. I am in the midst of doing some early spring planting, and there is an approach I'm using that I want to share with you in hopes that this might help to speed up the process of getting those plants into the ground before spring begins. What I am using is a hefty tool called an auger. In fact, this is a drill bit I have attached to my battery powered drill, and I'm using it to create the holes in my garden soil for where I'm going to be placing my annuals. Today I am planting some snapdragons as well as some petunias. So next up I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using this, and you let me know if you think
at this stage what I've done is I have staged almost 2 dozen or so of the petunias in this flower bed. I've got them roughly where I like them. I'm going to take my auger, place it where the plant is going to go, and just gently activate that drill. Okay, be careful with the rocks. You don't want those flying up, catching you and hurting you. So I've got that hole there. You see, it's going to be the perfect size for me to just drop in my 4-inch petunia. Easy peasy, right? Now, one thing I will do off camera is before I place these petunias in there, I'm going to be adding some fertilizer. This year, I am planting with Color Star Plus. This has a fungicide in it so that in the event you find that you perhaps accidentally overwatered, it's going to help to prevent the creation of fungus. So that's what I'm adding, just a sprinkle of that into the soil before you place your plant. You don't want to overdo it. All right, let's get this started. That makes things really, really easy. I'm gonna move that forward a bit. Look how many holes have already been dug in just a matter of seconds. This is convenient. I'm gonna have this whole flower bed planted in just a few moments. All right, so nighttime has fallen, but that does not mean that it took me that long. In fact, I will tell you, to be completely honest, this whole project start to finish took between like maybe 10 to 15 minutes, 15 like tops. It really went so fast using that auger, and I found that like digging the holes first all the way around and then coming back, dropping in that fertilizer, coming back around, adding the plant, and then packing in the soil like a factory line. It just went really efficiently and really fast. So I'm going to show you really quick what the finished product looks like. And I just want to say, I realize that I am now in the midst of another round of nighttime gardening. If you've seen my video in December on the holidays where I was so excited about doing some nighttime gardening, it's really cool to have an encore of nighttime gardening. To be out in the garden at times that you wouldn't really expect to be doing some gardening, but with the trusty light and cooperative weather, you can find happiness in the garden at day and night. Oh, this is what the finished project looks like. And when I say it was fast with that auger, I went around first and created holes for all of the petunias, got those completely in the ground, and then came back in and surrounded those with an accent of snapdragons. So this project is now complete, and I encourage you to take on a nighttime gardening project as well as consider using an auger. And if you do, drop a line in the comments. Let me know what you think of that tool. Take care.